Okay guys, so Red River Custom, we are getting closer and closer to the finish line. I think we're trying to get this wrapped up by mid-October for the homeowner to move into. And so outside of this house is almost complete. As you can see, I'm standing on a brand new set of stairs that lead out to the very front of the house. Kelly Gatlin's crew did a great job on all of the rock work, and it was some complicated rock work on this house. It's super tall on the back and just lots of details. So it's looking good. Let's take a look on the inside. We've got carpet shop guys here working today, getting tile going in the master. A lot of the tile work is already done in the house, and so we'll showcase a little bit of that as we go along. Let's take a look around the corner here at the master bedroom. Fireplace looks good too, by the way. It looks really great. So as you go around that fireplace, you'll enter into the master. The master's got this great vaulted ceiling in it. And I think originally this was supposed to have a box ceiling, and I'm not real crazy about box ceilings. I like more of a cathedral ceiling, so we made a change from the way the architect had this drawn originally. Going down this little hallway, there's going to be a his and her closet on the right and left. Straight ahead takes us into this master. And so carpet shop guys are here setting the Schluter in the walk-in shower. Getting ready to stick some tile to this here pretty soon. Most of this room is totally painted out now, and so it's just going to be down to touch-up painting once all the floors are finished. 2 countertops in the master like you would typically do. Let's go back out and around, take you through the living room. Beautiful vaulted living room space. So we entered into the living room through that front door. Directly to the left of the front door is a formal dining space. Then you've got this open concept kitchen to living room, and I love the way this turned out. It's beautiful. It's very light and bright. Nice quartz countertops. These have a little bit of a Carrara marble look to it. The veining in this is a little more to the blue side, but there is some gray veining in it as well, so you'll pick up on a little bit of this gray, but a little bit of blue. Looks awesome. Shaker style cabinets. We lacquer finish the inside of our cabinets just to make this stuff hold up better. Paint will scratch and scar up on the inside of cabinets pretty easy, so I really like to do a lacquer finish on the inside. Love that vent hood. 10-foot ceilings in here, so you got these really tall cabinets. Super cool. We've got this big tile. I believe this is what's going on the backsplash in here, and then I think behind the vent hood, or on the vent hood center, will be a mural that the homeowner picked up when they were overseas. So I'm kind of curious to see what that looks like. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Let's take a look down this hallway. So as you exit out of the kitchen into the hallway, there's going to be a butler's pantry here. It's got that same quartz countertop material. The blue color of the cabinets match that island in the kitchen. And then I think we're going to have some sort of a wood plank floor that goes throughout the whole thing. Coming down the hallway to the right, you've got a little powder bath. Love the tile work in there. Cool quartz countertop. Middle part of the hallway headed back to the garage. You've got a great looking mud bench here. So this is a place to sit down, take your shoes off. We'll put some coat hooks on this so you can hang things up in the winter, and then you've got storage above. In the coat closet at the end, this is going to have adjustable shelves up and down, so this can just catch all kinds of ancillary storage. And then to my right and to your left is this really cool laundry room, repeating that blue cabinet theme again. And I love it. I mean, these tile floors look incredible. So good. There's a little bit of dust in here, obviously, from when we did all the work, but this will all clean up and be spick and span in no time. Love the way this thing's turning out. Let's take a look at some stuff on the outside of the house and then we will wrap it up. Okay guys, so we got this beautiful second story balcony. And I say second story, it's really on the first level of the house as you come in, but it's a beautiful view looking out over the pasture land. I love the height of this porch. This was a little bit of a design change here. Originally, this was going to all be boxed in, and the homeowner had decided to open that up, which I think was a good choice. I love the way it turns out. You got super tall ceilings out here. Great visual looking out of the living room to the back porch and then across this pasture land. So I think this looks awesome. We will be staining this deck soon, and we'll be putting some clear coats on these big cedar cypress columns. So hope you guys have enjoyed these videos. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.